everyone, and welcome back to our Goneedle YouTube channel. As I'm sure you all know, Memorial Day is just around the corner, being this Monday, the 25th. Now we should all be looking forward to this day in which we honor and celebrate the brave men and women who died fighting for our country. I'm sure you all have your own way of celebrating this day, but we have a little idea to make it even more special. We have made several Memorial Day cut files that you can grab and apply onto any sort of garment. There are many options to choose from, and would definitely spice up the day and mood altogether. Not only that, but we have recently started something new. Every Friday, we are going to release 3 new cut files, and they are going to be for free, but only for that one day. You can get any of these 3 Memorial Day cut files today with these simple steps. First of all, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. And then you can head over to our website, goneedle.com/mdcutfiles. And you can choose any of these 3 cut files. Go ahead and add them to your cart. Add 3 to your cart. And from here, you can go to your cart and use the coupon code GOMD2020 and apply this coupon. Once you apply this coupon, as you can see, the total will be zeroed out. And there you go. I will leave the website link as well as the coupon code in the video description for your reference. I'll see you all next Friday with another set of cut files. Stay tuned.